Without digital transformation and a clear process for managing product information, your company will lose money. Why? This is what I will explain in this video. If you run a beauty brand, you can increase your revenue from your existing product catalog without launching new products or raising prices. This is not an empty promise or some kind of magic. It's a real strategy for improving the quality of your product data. My name is Matthew. I help companies implement the Ergonode PIM platform and build better, more efficient process by improving the way they manage product information. In this video, I'll show you some of the challenges beauty brands are facing today. More importantly, you'll see how Ergonode PIM helps solve these problems. PIM is not just a place where you store product data. It's also not a platform for putting out fires and fixing problems that you have today. The biggest value of a PIM is that it helps you avoid problems that could appear tomorrow. Okay, imagine you're looking for a specific cosmetic product. For example, a fragrance-free cream or a product designed for a specific skin type. You go to a website and you find that the product descriptions are incomplete. You don't have enough information about the product. There are missing images, and there is no information about certifications. What do you do then? Most likely, you will leave the website and not complete the purchase because you simply don't have all the information you need to make a decision. Your customer is in exactly the same situation if your store is also missing important product information. This is one of the key tasks of a PIM system: organizing and structuring product information no matter how large your catalog is. In Ergonode, for example, you can complete a product page by adding a specification sheet, a technical document as a PDF file, or even an image. The system can then automatically map this data and bring it into the right place. This means you don't have to focus only on a few products while the rest of your catalog fills your store but doesn't generate sales. You can improve all your products and create a more complete offer. Having complete product information is an important step. A complete offer makes product filtering easier and helps customers find exactly what they are looking for faster. Okay, let's assume we have completed the product page. This is not the only thing PIM can help with. If you sell across multiple channels, another challenge appears: keeping your product information consistent. Let's look at another example. Marketplaces can store information such as perfume fragrance notes in different ways. Manually adapting this information for each marketplace can take a huge amount of time. PIM allows you to create relationships between product information in a way that lets you describe a product the way you normally do, while the system automatically converts selected information into the format required by a specific marketplace. In practice, it looks like this. Let's say you have a perfume with magnolia notes, but the marketplace doesn't have such a specific category or such detailed filtering options. Instead, it only has general category like floral notes. Thanks to properly built relationship, your product can still be classified correctly, because in Ergonode PIM you can map magnolia notes to floral notes. This way, your product will not get lost among thousands of other offers. What if your cosmetics contain potentially irritating ingredients? Missing this type of information can be a huge risk. First, you create a list of these ingredients in your PIM system. Then, whenever one of them appears in a product's composition, the platform automatically adds labels such as "may irritate the skin," which you create to identify products with this type of characteristics. Let's look at a specific example. If a cosmetic product contains retinol, the system can automatically add information that using SPF protection is recommended during use. And here's the important part. This situation doesn't have to mean a problem or scare customers away. Quite the opposite. For a cream containing retinol, you can automatically connect it in Ergonode with suitable SPF cream that you already have in your product range. So, an automatic relationship is created if a product contains retinol. Ergonode PIM automatically suggests the SPF cream as a related product. This relationship can then be sent directly to your sales channel and support your strategy for increasing shopping cart value. Everything sounds great, but we are living in 2026 after all. So what about AI search? Everyone talks about it. More and more customer journeys are now starting with Gen AI models. The good news is that everything I've talked about so far also affects whether ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude will be able to recommend your product for a specific customer query. AI models simply work better with organized and well-described information. The better your product data is organized and more accurately your products are described, the better it is for you and your sales. Finally, I want to show you one more feature of Ergonode: media management. If you have certificates, you can automatically assign them to products. You upload one file that applies to 300 or even 400 products, and with one click, you can assign it to all selected cosmetics. If a certificate changes, you only need to replace the file. You don't have to rebuild all the existing relationships. Additionally, you can set expiration dates for any file and easily track when a certificate is no longer valid. In Ergonode, you are able to do more than just keep media files. You can also create them. We know the impact product images have on sales. They are often the first thing that catches customers' attention. At the same time, professional photoshoots are expensive and time-consuming, which is why more and more companies are starting to use AI to create product images. However, the beauty industry has one specific challenge: labels. AI often struggles to accurately recreate small text, which can lead to mistakes in product names, ingredients, or volume information. And this is where we come back to the product information we talked about earlier. With Ergonode AI Photo Studio, you can generate product images, but the biggest value is that the system uses the data you have already prepared in your PIM. Information, such as ingredients, product volume, or description, becomes the foundation for creating visuals that are more accurate and closer to the real product. Okay, we are coming to the end. By now, you know that well-organized product information can influence not only how your product pages look, but also your visibility, conversion rates, and basket value. See you in the next one.